Welcome to Stay at Home Mom Hustle and Bustle YouTube closet, and this is Tip Tuesday. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this is one of the early videos that I'm doing, but before I did my introduction video, I wanted to talk about a tip that's going on Poshmark right now that I find pretty relevant because we currently have an active celebrities closet. So my tip for today is to go to that celebrities closet, follow them, and then as long as it's active, keep going back 1 time a day, 2 times a day, as often as you like, and go there, follow all the followers, and then always when you go there, unfollow the closet and then refollow it. So this is going to keep you active in the last 1,000 users who have followed that closet. So if anybody else goes and looks at the followers, you're going to be in those top 1,000. So you want to be there. So always, anytime you go and look at the closet, check it off, follow, refollow. Because this is a very active closet. The followers are increasing really quickly. Sometimes I've seen in some closets, they go up 1,000 followers a day. And sometimes they, go up a couple hundred, but it's constantly growing, especially while it's active. And then sometimes you'll see, like the Heidi one, new items are added. So it's just going to keep happening. So as long as you see that notification at the top saying that it's an active closet, keep going back, keep refollowing, and follow all the blues, all the people that you currently don't follow, because these people were the last 1,000. So that means they're active users. So active users are going to naturally translate into sales. So whether it's people coming and looking at your closet, or people sharing and showing your items to their followers, or just current shoppers, they're going to come and they're going to look through your closet, because if you follow them, not all of them, but there's a good percentage that will go and say, this closet followed me, let me go take a look at it. So then as they go to look, they might say, oh, that caught my eye, oh, let's see what she has, oh. So, but you know that they're active. The difference of then just following random people is sometimes in closets that aren't growing quickly, it's the last 1,000 users that it shows, but they're not always going to be active users. So you want to make sure, so this is a really good way to get current people on Poshmark, because you can go to find the new people, you can go to find, look up people by location, but some of those people aren't active. Some have just downloaded the app and they're not on it. Some of those people, they joined a long time ago, or so just, it's another way to find followers that are using the app, because they went to the closet, it's a brand new closet, they followed it, but it's constantly growing. So these people are super, super, super active on there. So it's going to be a good way to potentially increase sales. I find that during the time that there's celebrity closets and I'm doing this, I notice a lot more sales going on. So this is just my tip for the day. And I'm going to show you a video on how to do that for people that might be a little bit confused. I know you could be newer to Poshmark, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So I took a short video to show you how to do it. I am doing this on my iPhone, on a mobile device through the app. So it could look a little bit differently if you're through the web or through another type of device. So I go to the current notification at the top to get to the current celebrities closet. Right now it is Alex Morgan. I go hit followers, and then I'm going to go down the list and select all the blue followers. So these are all the current people that I am not following at the moment. And this is relevant again because these are the most recent people to go and follow her. So we know that therefore that they have to be active users. It's really important. And then always I always go back and I'm going to unfollow her closet and refollow. So I am also going to be one of the most active users currently following her. So if somebody else comes and does this, they're going to follow me as well. Don't forget to subscribe below. I hope this tip was helpful to you guys. Sorry, I'm a hot mess. My kids were napping and we just had gone for a walk. I probably should have said that earlier. So make sure you subscribe, come back for future tips, and thanks for checking out Stay at Home Mom Hustle and Bustle.